And I got everything straight. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to build a dog whelping box. So I have 3/4 plywood. I have 4 pieces cut down 2 foot by 4 foot, and I have some 1 by 3 by 8 pine. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this this pine plywood over here that I got already, because I had it cut at the Home Depot at my local hardware store, but they didn't cut it exactly the way I wanted it, so I have to recut it. Alright, so I noticed there's been a slight issue with me using my table saw, because my table saw is not big enough. I looked it up. They say dog whelping boxes should be 22 inches high in order for the puppies not to be able to jump out at 8 weeks old. So I'm gonna have to freehand do this, and I'm gonna have to do it by a circular saw. So what I'm gonna show you guys is how to use a circular saw to cut perfect straight edges on any surface. Now what you wanna do is you wanna find another straight surface that you have that you can reference off of. You wanna put it across your piece of board like so, wherever your saw lands, and you wanna cut the amount that you want off. And you also wanna use these clamps to hold this piece down. Nice. So now I'm gonna be focused on putting this white oak edge tape on all the pieces of my wood I have cut it out, but I'm not gonna film that because that's boring. So now I'm gonna be applying the hardware to the piece of wood that I cut and painted. All right, got it all put together. Hadn't put on the door yet, and that's where she goes in and she lays and has the puppies. So now I'll be putting on the toe kicks. It's gonna go like this, so that way when the dog goes to lay down, the puppies can slide under there and not be smushed or smothered. So now all I'm gonna do is take my spacer, put it right there, like that. I got a 2x4 spacer, and I just put it in there. See? And the puppies can slide right under there and not be hurt. And it's gonna go all the way around the box. Let's see. All the way across. All the way around. Y'all can even check out the treadmill that I built in my other video. Still runs good. Alright, so everything is finished. I put the hinges on the drawer, and I got everything straight. That's how you open the door. So she can. Could have put better hinges on there, but it's cheap. And I ain't wasting no money.